Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about right now is Slice, the mini safety cutter. Yeah, it's a mini safety cutter. Now this is a really interesting invention that I've used for probably the last 2 months now. Yeah, it is an actual cutter that I use to open boxes with. And open all kind of different things with. I mean, you wouldn't think so, but at the very end of there's a little plastic edge right there that is very small. And that little piece right there does all the cutting. And it's very safe. Like if you do this, you won't cut yourself. But that little tip right there really cuts deep into boxes. Yeah, I mean, and it's really safe. I mean, you just cut like this. Like, you wouldn't believe it, but it actually makes pretty decent size incisions. Like if I put this here and I cut, look at that. You see how deep that cut is? It really gets in there. That could open any box. It's amazing. This little guy is a real godsend. It really, really does the job good. And I mean, you could keep this on your keychain. You see that? It's ready for your keychain. You just travel around with it in your pocket, just in case you might have to cut open something, anything at all. And it's completely safe. You don't have to worry about cutting yourself, nothing like that. It's really good. I mean, at first I thought maybe like when you press it down, like this blade, this little plastic blade or whatever that's in there was going to like come out farther or something because of the pressure. But no, it's just that little tip, and that is all that's necessary. And it does the job. It's amazing. It works very well. I like it a lot. And I know this comes in several different colors. It doesn't just come in the screen, but I've seen a red one, I've seen a white one, and a blue one. Yeah, they're really good. They're really, really a good product to have. And I mean, especially if you work in like a factory or any kind of area where there is a lot of boxes to open, say at Home Depot or something, or any kind of like the mail room or anything, of any business. They're also great for opening letters. Yeah, zip and it opens right from the top, no problem. Yeah, these are really good. I like them. I really like the fact that you can travel around with this without hurting yourself. I've been really tempted to take one of these and open it up and just see what's on the inside, but no, I haven't. But yeah, I'm sure you could probably take this to the airport and nobody's going to say anything or anything. This is really, really a good invention. I was hesitant of getting it at first because I didn't think it would work, especially for me. I didn't know the significance behind having that little tip there and having this actually do what it's supposed to claim to do. But it does, and it does it very well. There are several types of boxes and packages and stuff that I have to open at my job that require a good box opener to do it. I mean, I was just using a razor blade before, like, those knives that have like razors in them, and that worked just fine. Yeah, but it's kind of dangerous. There's been countless accidents using those in the production area where at my job, and these, you don't have to worry about anything like that. They're extremely safe, and do the same exact thing. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to cut through a piece of wood or cardboard that's, say, as thick as this. It's not going to do that, but it's really good at cutting open glued paper, thin cardboard, and tape that is taping the box lid closed. Yeah, this is perfect for tape. So if you slice this right down where that tape is, holding the box together, the box is going to open right away. It's really, really a good deal. I like it a lot. All right, well, we are talking about Slice, the mini safety cutter. I really hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.